To start a new Next.js project with LiftKit, copy this command underneath clone template project. Then open a terminal and paste it. Once you've cloned the template project, type cd liftkit template and then npm install. This installs the utility dependencies for actually connecting to the component registry, but it isn't going to install any components itself. That's why if you open the code and then run a development server, what you'll find is an error saying that index.css can't be found. This isn't very elegant, but it is by design. LiftKit's big. It has a lot of CSS files, a lot of component files, and you don't want to install anything more than you actually need. So to actually get some components into this thing, you have a few options. You can run npm run add all. That is going to add every single component. It's not what I want to do. You can add base. That's just going to add the CSS core, like the variables for golden scaling, but I need more than that. So I'm going to add a specific component, like button. And when I do that, you'll also notice that it installs the CSS for these utility classes, as well as any other component dependencies. Finally, we can actually add the component to our UI by visiting the core page.tsx, importing the button at the top, and then finally creating an instance of it here. And that's all you need.